What's up, y'all? It's your boy James Blizzard, aka the legendary Barber, and welcome to another educational video powered by the 100K Barber Blueprint, where we don't just cut hair, we architect crowns. This is elevation through execution. Every move is calculated, every result is legendary. Today's cut, I'm demonstrating a temple ball fade with a wavelength on top. If a client have not already shampooed their hair, it is essential to begin with a thorough cleanse. This not only promotes scalp health, but also prepares the hair for precision cutting. I'm beginning with the application of Sanic neck strip. This serves as a protective barrier for the client's skin while maintaining proper sanitation. Always the very first step before placing the cape. I begin putting my gloves on as part of proper sanitation. This step ensures both client safety and professional hygiene standards. I also make certain the hair is completely dry before starting the cut. Fully dry hair allows the clippers to perform at their best and helps achieve a clean, precise result. Remember to always sanitize your implements. When cutting the top, always follow the natural direction of the hair. That's cutting with the grain. Wherever the hair lays, that's where the clippers should move. Start with the larger guard. Larger guards remove less. Smaller guards remove more. In this case, I'm going with the grain, testing with the larger guard. If it doesn't remove enough, step down one size. Right now, I'm using the old guard closed. If I need to go lower, the next step is the double out guard open. Remember, open lever, lighter cut. Close lever, tighter cut. Once you find the right guard and lever, clean and even the top. Comb the hair up, cut with your setting, then comb again. Repeat until the top is smooth and consistent. Next, refine. Remove the guard, close the clipper, and use it to lightly clear stray hairs. Glide with purpose, steady motion. Let the comb lift, let the clippers finish. I'll begin the fade slightly below the temple, right where I'm pointing, to establish a precise starting point for the blend. Now it's time to execute the ball fade. I'll be working through this process in 3 levels. Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. Each level will be about 1 inch in height, depending on head shape and the amount of hair you have to work with. Level 1 is bald. To set this foundation, I first use my Andy clippers closed all the way. This allows me to remove bulk efficiently before detailing with my outliners. The outliners will lock in that clean, sharp base. Level 2 is done with the Andys open all the way. This establishes the transition above the bald line and starts building the fade. Level 3 is wavelength on top. I'll use that as my final level. When I begin my fade, I'm fading level 3 down into level 2. My first calibration is the double eye guard open. Depending on the height of the waves, I'll start here, then move to the double arc halfway open, not coming up as high as before. Throughout this entire process, I'm using consistent C-like strokes to ensure a smooth, seamless blend. After that, I'll use the double arc close, bringing it down slightly lower, and then continue blending my way down. Even when I reach the Andes open with no guard, my next step is Andes halfway open with no guard. And finally, Andes close. For my final step, I flip my outliners upside down and use C-like strokes to blend level 1, the ball base, into the area where my Andy clippers are fully closed until it's completely blended. When using clipper over comb, position the spine of the comb closer to the scalp while using the teeth angle outward. Because the teeth are on top, this outward angle preserves more length, which helps maintain the darker area towards the top of the fade. Now I'm giving the front hairline its full finishing touch, the complete body of work. And what's crazy is, if you notice, I haven't even touched the other side yet. That's the precision of balance. I only worked one side, and now I'm going to mirror it perfectly on the other. Doing it this way sharpens your vision, trains your eye for symmetry, and helps you pay close attention to detail. It's not just about cutting, it's about developing the discipline to see balance and replicate it. Every adjustment is intentional, from the clipper setting to the lever control, ensuring balance, precision, and a flawless fade. Now, if you thought this cut was fire, trust me, you haven't seen anything yet. Make sure to check out part 2 of this video so you can see the full transition. That's where the blueprint comes to life. This is the legendary Barber signing out. But don't blink, because the next drop is going to change the way you cut forever.